Welcome back to my channel. Today we have Petite Vour box. This is from May. I got this really late. They did send an email that it was coming late. So yeah. This is a monthly subscription. I believe it's $18 per month, and it is vegan and cruelty free. So let's go ahead and get into the box and see what they sent me. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. Be bold, be kind. And of course there is this card with the theme, and everything of course is packaged beautifully and nicely as always. So here is the card with the theme, the back, the inside. It has a brief description of everything with the prices of the sample that is inside. Usually they send like maybe one, sometimes two full-size items, but I'll have the full-size price listed as well. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me this month. All right, first thing they sent is this little perfume. This is My Daughter Joyful. Right here, this is $2 sample. A fragrant love letter of orange flower, lime blossom, jasmine, rose, and sandalwood. Fresh and floral lovers rejoice. This is a clean, non-toxic fragrance that you've been waiting for. So there's the vial, and I really want to see what it smells like, because those ingredients sound really nice. Okay, I do like this because it definitely has a floral scent, but I can smell the orange in it. So yeah, I do like this. I will definitely be wearing that, and I like sticking these small little samples like this in my purse, because sometimes, you know, you go out in public and it's a hot day and you be stinking, and that is an excellent time to pull out one of these. So yeah. Next item we have is Anadolu, I know I'm saying that wrong, Naturals 1000 Roses Lotion. This ultimate skin food blends rich rose hip and other natural oils to nourish, smooth, and soften dry skin. Soothing rose water and aloe vera help protect skin's moisture barrier for a luxurious body treatment. So that is what that looks like. And I am smelling that. Doesn't seem to have much of a smell, so that is good. Next item we have here is Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Bye Bye Dark Circles. The doctor approved brightening eye cream reduces the appearance of under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines for a more luminous and youthful glow. Perfect for all skin types. So that is what that looks like. This is a sample size. Let's see, can you see it? There you go. And I would assume it doesn't have much scent. It has a little bit of a scent, but nothing I think would irritate. So that is a nice item. Right, the next item we have is a Fairy Dust Highlighter from Kate Voss. A creamy pressed powder made with crushed minerals to highlight and enhance every skin tone. This formula creates an elegant sheen that doesn't look glittery. So this is the packaging for that. Let's go ahead and open that. And this is the container out of the box. There you go. You know, I was kind of expecting it to be like a pink color or a sheer white color, because that's what I associate with fairy dust, but it clearly isn't. This is in color Star Kissed. Let's go ahead and swatch that. It is definitely pretty, but this is, you know, definitely more on the coppery, bronzy side. And I tend to do better with ice tones, but I still like this, so yeah. The last item in my box is LM & Co. crystal infused toner spray made with refreshing cucumber, mint, and infused with real Amazonite gemstones and powders to enhance the skin and the mind. This toner instantly refreshes and clears the complexion of impurities and pollution. Okay, so this is also a full size. The Fairy Dust highlighter and this here are both full sizes. So that is what that looks like. I think that looks kind of cool. You see the crystals in there? Okay, so I definitely want to see what this smells like. I smell the cucumber. I don't really smell the mint, but I do smell the cucumber. So if you are not a cucumber lover, you will not like this. But if you do like the smell of cucumbers, you'll like this. It smells like real cucumbers. So that is it in that box. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know what else to say about this. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite item is below, and otherwise I hope to see you in my next video.